let's quickly move to the strategy which we are talking about. So this is the Nifty, not the Nifty. This is the Maruti Suzuki share. Okay, all we are seeing is the market price of Maruti Suzuki shares as of Friday, which is nothing but yesterday. Okay, so where I have taken this, I have taken it from nseindia.com. So you guys can visit and then you can share, which everyone knows, no issue. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll give a disclosure that this strategy is not an advice. You don't, please don't, because I have said don't buy with any views. So this is just an example, but this example can be replicated. So that's what all about. This example can be replicated with our own intuition, correct? So for example, what we are going to do is, uh, I'm going to buy 100 shares of this thing, which is called Maruti Suzuki shares at a market price of 7566. So the overall market value of the share is somewhere around 7,56,000 rupees. So don't worry. So the market value is huge. People might think, well, we need this much capital, but there are other ways to mitigate it. There are other ways to take this position just by 10% or 15%. But we'll discuss that in the later in the part two. But for time being, just assume that it is 7,56,000. If you want to buy 100 shares in Maruti Suzuki shares in the market, it should be 7,56,000 rupees. Okay. So now what happens is, market price, stock prices moves in two directions. In option market, it is not two directions is important. Three directions are important. Why that is important? Um, we will discuss about it. For time being, let's assume only two directions. Okay. So what happens is, as soon as you bought the stock price went to 7,000 rupees. You guys might have remember that there is a insurance which you have taken for Maruti car, right? In the same way, what I'm going to do is, I bought 100 shares of Maruti at 7,560 rupees, and I'm going to buy a put option. I'm going to buy an insurance saying that I'm going to sell the shares at, if market value of Maruti Suzuki shares falls below 7,560 rupees, I need to be compensated in value. So basically, this put option will protect you in losses. The reason is, I'm not sure, there might be a crowd who might be trading in lakhs or crores. So all will edge their positions with options. If you guys remember or recollect, there is only one instrument in the market which you can protect. That one instrument is derivatives. If you use it correctly, it can protects your portfolio. So what we are going to do is, we are going to buy 100 shares of Maruti Suzuki shares at 7566, and we are going to buy the put option to edge it. So how we are going to buy the put option? This is the real time option chain. No need to worry. This is not theoretical. So I'm going to buy a put option of 8,000 rupees, okay, by paying a premium of 4,070. So if you guys can see, I am taking the strike above the market price, okay. There is a logic to it, that is in the money logic. So that logic is important. So I'm going to sell the share at, I'm going to buying the put option by paying a premium of 470. Now what happens if the market price falls? Definitely stock will lose in value. I'm losing 56,000 rupees. And if the market price falls, our put option, the other party will compensate you 57,000 rupees. Just take it approximately. He is going to compensate you 56,000 rupees. Okay. Your loss, there is no loss. In this way, there is no loss. Now, what happens is, since you have protected your losses, you can buy more shares in the market. That is one way. And second way is, um, you can leave it. You can wait for the prices to move up. You can close your put option. Once the prices move up, your stock price will gain. That is one way to gain. So this way it is favorable. Now let's look at the positive scenario. The stock is going to 9,000 rupees, say in 3 months, 4 months, or 2 months. In India, most of the options time to expiry is only 1 2 months. Okay, so maximum is 1 2 months. So in 2 months, if it is going to 9,000 rupees in stock, since you have bought 100 shares of stock, which will be 1,43,000 rupees, it will be your profit. And how much you have saved in put option, since you have bought an insurance, right? Now that insurance is no value. The reason is, Your agreement is you will sell the shares at 8,000 rupees, but the market price is 9,000 rupees. The market price is 9,000. Why we are going to sell at 8,000? We will tell, okay, you keep it with you, no issue. So the net to net, if you see, the profit is around 96,000. So this is strategy is called protective put strategy. So this is mostly used by all investment management companies or all mutual funds. They will be having put options to hedge. There is no institutions in the world without buying a long put. If someone is telling you derivatives are very drastic instrument, they will lose entire money. But actually most of the companies protects their losses by taking derivatives. They will have derivatives. Without put options they will not survive. So this is a basic strategy. You can have to hedge the stock with put. By this way your losses is limited. But there are various disclosure. I have chosen the strike. So that logic needs to be known, which strike, and what is the amount of premium which you're paying, because premium has many component: intrinsic value, time value. What is the difference? But how you will know whether the price which you're paying for premium is right? That's how you will know. There should be a model, right? What is that model is all about? So all those things we'll see in part 2. Before winding up, uh, thanks for joining. Please take your time and write your reviews. There is a Google review link in the link tree. Either you can type it, if you go to Instagram and select on link tree, there will be an option called write a review. If you click that, it will take you to the review button. Just post your review. And if you are interested in any other services, if you want to attend for part 2, just enroll it. We'll take you. Same thing. Thanks all. Thank you. So part 2, we will talk about all these things in depth. This is the agenda. We'll keep mining it more. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. So when we'll be taking the part 2? So okay. So we will let you know the if you join our communities, WhatsApp communities, we will let you know via that. No need to worry. Please connect with us. We as of now we haven't decided whether it is going to be a paid session or free session, but based on the number of crowds turns up we'll decide that, because reason that is the reason. But if, even if we charge, it will be a very nominal fee, affordable fee. It will not be a, jaw dropping fees and all. Okay. Okay, thanks all. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.